This video is going to show you how to remove and replace a damaged ultrasonic sensor. So these are our three sensors in front. Sometimes these will get scratched or damaged somehow. So the easiest way to show this is kind of how your ultrasonic sensor's in there. And you'll notice there's a barrel connector right in the middle. All this has is just a quick spin and disconnect. We're going to push that in and respin. Now in order to do this on the unit, what we're going to do is we're going to take one hand, kind of reach up from behind, and you'll just press that unit out. And then you'll see the barrel connector can kind of drop below. We'll unscrew, we'll put the new one in, and then I use two hands and kind of take one hand from the back, one hand from the front, mostly because we don't want to press on that center part of that ultrasonic sensor because that's what's doing the reading. So as we're putting this in, I do it in a slightly twisting motion, and I use the outside. And then we're going to make sure that that's seated properly, pressing it in completely, and that looks pretty good. So we'll see we have our three ultrasonics, no major scratches or debris on them, and that's how you remove and replace an ultrasonic sensor.